Next up is the ladder of inference. The ladder of inference describes how we process and make sense of information. Here's how it works. At the bottom of the ladder, we have raw data, observable facts. And as we move up, we are doing more and more with that information, that is, processing it and making sense of it for ourselves. So the rungs are starting with that baseline of observable facts and data. Then we select certain data that we're interested in. Then we interpret it, make assumptions from those, draw conclusions, form beliefs, and eventually take action. Now, the problem is that we often move quickly up this ladder without pausing to check in and make sure that we're choosing the right set of data, we're drawing the right set of assumptions and conclusions, that we're eventually getting to sound action. And this happens all the time in the workplace. For example, let's say that someone shows up late to a meeting. Well, that's our observable fact. They showed up late. But we might quickly move through that ladder and conclude that they're being irresponsible or they're disengaged without stopping to think, what other facts might we be missing? And what assumptions are we making about this person based on their other behavior? So there's actually a lot that happens in our brains that we just run right past to get us to some conclusion without pausing to say, is this really the right conclusion to be drawing? So using the ladder of inference can really help teams slow down and be more deliberate in their thinking and in their decision making.